smaller than him.
The glowing, they look, they're shooting laser beams.
What's wrong with him? Oh. How's he attacking something?
What are you doing to Sully? I tell you, this gray cat's got dementia.
What does he think Sully's doing it or something? Sully's just investigating something. Look, he's creeping over. Sully's all fucked up. Stitch.
Where's these cats?
He's like, go get him, Sully.
Look how sketched out he is. He's like he just hit a crack or something. What is that? Strange cats in here. Sully. Sully. Look at him.
Yeah.